Welcome to aminacademy.com. In engineering mechanics, let us discuss about super elevation. In our day-to-day life, you may notice that whenever a roadway, even roadside or railway, is laid on a curve or curved path, then both the edges are not at the same level. In such a case, the outer edge is always higher than the inner edge. This is done to keep the vehicle in equilibrium while going in the curved path. We know that the body moving along a curved path is subjected to the following forces, that is its own weight and centrifugal force. Further, we will define the super elevation. Super elevation is a method of infrastructure construction used in roadways, curves where the outer edge of the pavement is raised above the inner edge. An aspect of the vertical alignment or profile of a road viewed in cross section. It's an important safety element in the design criteria of any road with curved nature. I will discuss about the effect of super elevation in roads. Look at this. The car run on a roundabout, that is a curved path. It have some forces is there, that is centrifugal force due to curved path, and its own weight is downward. Here let m equal to mass of the body in tons, r equal to radius of the circular path in meter, v equal to velocity of the body in meter per second, and theta equal to angle of the bank, angle of inclination of the road. Look at this figure. Here the own weight of the vehicle acting downward and centrifugal force acting horizontally. The resultant force is like that, angle theta here. Here, if the road is in level, that means it's not banked, then resultant force is not perpendicular to the road surface. So we have to make little angle to balance the resultant force that must be perpendicular to the road surface. The vehicle subjected to the following forces when moving in curved path. First, its own weight and centrifugal force. Now we will derive some equation now. Look at here. Its own weight equal to mg and centrifugal force equal to mv square. This both force is balanced to run smoothly, that is equal mv square equal to mv squared by r here, mv squared by r equal mg. Then here from that m is cut, v equal gr here. From this, the vehicle speed is not having the mass in it here. That means here this the expression of that the super elevation is independent of the mass of the body. Now we'll derive super elevation. Here formula for super elevation. Look at this figure. Here tan theta is centrifugal force by weight of the vehicle. Tan theta is a centrifugal force, that is mv squared by r over mg, which is equal v squared by gr, which is equal to tan theta. Now look, this tan theta is expressed as v squared by gr. It is not having the mass. It means the expression that the super elevation is independent of the mass. So this tan theta equal to v squared by gr is the expression for the super elevation. Now further detail we will discuss in future videos. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.